Your underfloor heating and domestic hot water are initially controlled by your flow temperature controller and panel, with the heating then controlled by your programmable room thermostat and your hot water on demand from your taps. You can program different times for your heating or your hot water to come on, as well as customize times when you are away or on holiday. To operate the unit, press the button and the display should light up. If this doesn't happen, check the heating switch on the wall nearby. Once turned on, you will normally see a variety of information on the display screen. The date, the time, the hot water mode, the current status of the hot water, either on standby, stopped or operating, along with any timer or prohibited symbol above. The heating mode and current status, along with any timer or prohibited symbol above, and what zone this applies to below. Current temperature of the room or the hot water, the target temperature, and whether an SD card is inserted. You may also see a variety of other symbols here, such as holiday mode, Legionella prevention mode, smart grid ready, heat pump status, electric heater, and buffer tank control. Please see your user manual for more information on this. You also have navigation symbols on the display that correspond to the function buttons above them. Swap zones, minus to decrease temperature, plus to increase temperature, and an option button. The controller itself also has some buttons, and these are Menu to access all system settings and modifications, Back to return to the previous screen, Confirm to select or save, and the Power or Holiday button to hold to turn off, or press to enable holiday mode. You can adjust the target temperature showing at any time by pressing the plus and minus buttons. However, you should take care to ensure you are changing the correct temperature. If the symbol is water droplets, this is showing the target flow temperature for hot water. If it is showing the house and thermometer symbol, it is the target room temperature for heating. Or if it shows a graph symbol, this is the compensation curve, which is a heating mode that can be used during spring and summer to stop your air source heat pump producing excessive hot water. Pressing the option button provides you with the main operating modes, where you can switch between operating, prohibited, and timer for both your hot water and heating. You can also turn on or off the forced domestic hot water, which is a setting you can use if you want to override any heating priorities and force the system to prioritize hot water. This can be useful if there is a high demand for hot water. You can also view the energy monitor, which shows the consumed electrical energy and the delivered heat energy. To change any of these operating modes, press the function button below it. To schedule a timer, press the menu button and use the function button to navigate across to Schedule Timer and press Confirm. Here you will be presented with two timers. You can either set both timers, such as one set of times for the summer and the other for winter, or you can leave the time period from January to December and use one set of times. To change these time periods, press the fourth function button to edit. Choose the relevant months and confirm. Then press the fourth button to save, then press back. The second schedule will automatically update with the remaining months. Choose the relevant time period and select either heating or hot water. And you will see a preview screen showing the days of the week and the time throughout the day. Any solid block indicates that the heating or hot water will be on during this period. First, select the days you want to edit by pressing the fourth function button and navigate left and right, pressing the first function to check and uncheck. Then select Confirm. Now you will be able to edit the timeline. Just navigate left and right, pressing the Confirm button to either start adding or subtracting the blocks for periods of activity or inactivity. You can have 4 periods of inactivity during any 24-hour period. When you have moved the navigation enough, press the Confirm button again, and when you have completed all changes, press the fourth function button to save your settings. To access the main settings menu, press the menu button and you will be able to adjust the following. Hot water, where you can switch between normal mode or eco, which heats the water slower but uses less energy, and Legionella prevention on and off. Heating, where you can adjust the heating mode from room temp to flow temp to compensation curve, as well as viewing the parameters set for the compensation curve. Schedule timer, which we have already explained in detail. Holiday mode, where the system can run at lower temperatures during periods you are away. This can be selected on the main controller using the holiday button, but you can set whether this will apply to the heating, hot water, or both here. Initial settings, where you can adjust settings such as date and time and display. And service, which is password protected to prevent accidental changes being made by unqualified personnel. To set the holiday mode, press the holiday button and input the dates you are away from and until. Then press confirm. To cancel the holiday mode, press the holiday button and select yes. It is also possible to control your heating and hot water using the MEL Cloud app. Details on how to download this, register and use the app are available on the front of your cylinder and in the documentation provided at handover. For more information about your controller and app, please contact customer care.